Nigga, pass me that G-Lock. I let it sing like P&B, bro. Speaking of teeth, I get hit in your treetop. I'm at the baddest, you know how to move it.
Y'all should get y'all some gushes. These times. Stop swinging that cup.
Like she, like whatever the fuck that was, just sat there.
Oh, what's poppin'?
What's up? Not much. What's up with you?
Yeah, that's the energy I like. There we go. I'm good. How old are you?
I'm 19. What's going on with the mic? Like, what y'all doing?
None. I just need to talk to you. No, I don't have a mic stand, so I gotta hold it.
Okay. Oh, all right.
Don't worry. Even if I was recording, you beautiful.
Oh, say less.
You ain't gonna be embarrassed.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
How your
What
day
y'all
going
had
so
going
far?
on today?
I was chilling today. I'm a
My
little
day was busy.
I'm a little tipsy right now, but I'm go out.
I'm jealous.
Mm-hmm.
I'm jealous.
Where you from? Tallahassee?
I stay in Tallahassee, Florida right now for school, but I'm from Florida anyways.
Okay. I'm about to come and see you.
Yeah.
Yo, I think it's that day.
I think I got my swagger back.
Ah!
My 50. Yeah, ugly.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Bring that ass here, boy. Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished?
Your time has come. There's no way out of this one.
Say looking at I'm friend looking at so gay ass.
What's poppin'?
Hey,
Where you from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. Oh, how old are you?
I'm 16.
How old am I? I'm 17.
Oh, that's the case.
Damn. See, I was about to say something sweet, but I could go to jail, so I don't want to do that.
Nobody gotta know.
What do you mean by that?
Nobody gotta know. I kind of like that energy, but I'm old, man. I'm 21.
Oh, damn. Oh.
She was standing up for too long. I'm trying to figure out what she was about to do.
I was trying to figure out the same shit. What was popping with y'all?
Yo.
Where y'all from?
Cali.
Who said Cali? Nah, I'm not on a podcast. I just, like, in order for me to talk to y'all, I gotta hold a mic because I'm on a PC right now.
Who else can relate?
Who said they was from Cali? Which one? Oh, yeah. What about White Sweater?
Same thing.
Oh, same thing. Oh, y'all friends? Now, what you making that face for? You ain't introduce yourself. You ain't say nah. What you want me to go by you by?
Who?
Bree.
Talking about Bree? How old are y'all?
Yeah.
Underage.
Yeah, that was a great answer. I can't front. That was a beautiful answer. Beautiful answer. I'm glad you kept it a stack busy with me. Yo, you 10 years old. Look, get off this shit, man. You don't want to be on this. Yo, Maya, what's popping with you? Yo, look, I fuck with your hair. You got nice hair.
Don't even say nothing to me, boy. You look like a motherfucking
All right, motherfucker. What the fuck is Elizabeth City?
I think that's in Charlotte.
How you be knowing? Yo, you been to Jamaica before?
Of course. Nigga, I'm Jamaican, Trinidadian, and Dominican.
I didn't ask you all that shit.
I've been to Jamaica, though. I've been to all three countries. Actually, no, I want to go to the DR, though.
Yo, I don't got my passport. I ain't been
I don't need my passport. My ID is in Haiti, so I can go
What?
anywhere.
I've never. Yo, what's poppin'?
What's poppin'?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Georgia.
Georgia. How you feeling? How you feeling tonight?
Good. Can you please chill the fuck out?
I know. I'm just trying to see.
Okay. Your ID regular or enhanced?
What you sitting there looking mean for? What's your problem?
Real nice.
There we go, bro. Put a smile on your face. What are you looking mean for?
Walking over there.
Because I'm focused.
What you focus on? I don't know. I
video.
don't know who you got barking, but she need to chill out.
I'm not gonna.
Get your ass skipped real quick. Okay.
You be stupid. You want to be stupid. I'm gonna show you how stupid I can get. And send me on Tweety. Right? That's how you pronounce it.
Mm-hmm.
How old are you?
15.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Damn. God damn. See, I was about to say something sweet, but I could go to jail, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna just say like, have a good night.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, that's a.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Brody. That was a boy.
What's up with y'all?
You chilling? You pretty.
Thank you.
Where you from?
Hold on. Hold on, baby. I'm trying to do something right quick. Can I put it in here? Yeah. It's broke. I'm trying to make sure my phone don't die on y'all because I want to have this conversation. If it's going to be a conversation, but.
It's going to be a convo.
Okay, but come here. Oh, there we go. Hold on.
You finally got it?
Yeah, we got it.
Where you from?
I'm from Cali.
You from Cali? I'm coming to Cali on Brody.
Where y'all from?
I'm from New York.
Oh, I want to go there.
Come.
That's one place on my list. I gotta go.
So come. What are you waiting for?
To New York? Yeah, come. Can I ask y'all something?
What's up?
What's y'all zodiac signs? Do y'all know what that is?
I'm a Virgo.
What is? You? When your birthday? Oh no. I'm a January Cap. We the best. Sorry to break it to you. And Virgos, y'all just got stinky ass attitudes. And I know because my little brother is a Virgo.
I got a bad attitude with you right now?
Mm-hmm. You got a bad attitude, huh? You do? Yes, you do. And you just a December. You ain't even.
We the same sign, so why are we beefing?
But my birthday, but I'm a January. You is borderline Sagittarius. What you think this one is?
You look like a Cancer.
I am a Gemini.
This nigga just asked me, do you still want these flowers, bro? Keep them. Keep the fucking flowers. Because if you just call me, bro, a nigga, how can a nigga say, do you want flowers? And then call you, bro?
So can I get you some flowers?
Are you going to bring them to my doorstep and then just, here you go, here flowers? Or you going to text me and say, do you want these flowers, bruh?
Nah, I'm gonna bring them to your doorstep.
Exactly, because at this point, nigga, just get on.
You right.
That's so fucking rude.
Yo, it's popping.
Can I ask you 3 questions?
Ask me 3 questions. Go ahead.
Okay. For starters, do it look like I like boys or girls?
Girls.
Lies. I like boys and girls. First off.
Okay, so you buy.
Second question. Are you TT Baby?
Who? You said what?
Are you TT Baby?
No.
Are you TT Baby?
No.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is TT.
Nice to meet you.
You're not TT Baby?
She want me. She want me. She want me.
Oh, you trying to bag me?
Baby. Anyway.
No. You can't even skip that. You trying to bag me?
Baby, you said you're not.
No. I ain't understand the question. So you see, so it was nice to meet you, TT.
But yeah, you said you're not TT Baby.
That's not what I meant though. It's not. No, I ain't understand the question. So you can't play me like that.
You understood the question.
I did not understand the question.
Do you know why it's okay?
Huh?
Do you know why it's okay?
Why?
Do you know why it's okay? Because I got some for everybody.
Yeah.
Shorty a 10, she like a fuck. Like, shorty a dog. She hotter than June, I'ma make her mom. Yeah, she divine. Melanin with a waistline. And she don't waste time. Bend it over, make her wine.